Because I'm gonna tell you something. Thank you for 1 subscriber. So God, my account. Yeah. There. I have 1 subscribers. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Right? So thank you for subscribe for me with for 1 subscribers. I'm so proud. So that's what I want. I want to get the YouTube button. This one. And this, I'm so proud. I have 1 subscribers. And then I'm gonna check again because bye.